Think getting rich is just about luck or earning a massive paycheck. Think again. True wealth is built over time through smart habits and disciplined financial decisions. While winning the lottery or inheriting a fortune might be a shortcut, the reality is that most self-made millionaires got there by following a set of consistent habits. In this video, we'll dive into 7 powerful habits that can help you accumulate wealth over time. Let's get started. Number 1. Pay yourself first. One of the most important habits of wealthy people is prioritizing savings before anything else. This means before paying bills, buying groceries, or spending on entertainment, you allocate a portion of your income directly into savings or investments. This technique, known as paying yourself first, ensures that you consistently build wealth rather than just saving what's left over. Set up automatic transfers to a high-yield savings account or an investment portfolio so you never forget. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from compound growth. Number 2. Live below your means. Spending less than you earn might seem like common sense, but it's a fundamental habit that separates the wealthy from those who struggle financially. Many people increase their spending as their income rises, falling into the trap of lifestyle inflation. Instead of upgrading to a bigger house or buying the latest gadgets, focus on keeping your expenses manageable. Being frugal doesn't mean being cheap, it means spending wisely on things that truly matter while directing excess money toward growing your wealth. Number 3. Invest consistently. Wealth isn't built by stashing cash under your mattress. It grows by making your money work for you. The habit of investing consistently, even with small amounts, can have a massive impact over time. Whether it's stocks, index funds, real estate, or a retirement account, investing regularly allows you to take advantage of compound interest and long-term market growth. If you're unsure where to start, consider low-cost index funds or ETFs, which offer diversification with minimal effort. Number 4. Develop multiple income streams. Relying on a single paycheck can be risky. The wealthiest individuals understand the power of multiple income streams. This could be through side businesses, freelancing, rental income, dividends, or selling digital products. The more income sources you have, the more financially secure you become. Even if you start small, like monetizing a hobby or investing in dividend stocks, diversifying your income can lead to significant financial growth over time. Number 5. Avoid bad debt and use good debt wisely. Not all debt is created equal. Bad debt, such as high-interest credit cards and payday loans, can keep you trapped in a cycle of financial stress. On the other hand, good debt, like real estate mortgages, student loans, when used wisely, or business loans, can help you generate wealth. The key is to minimize high-interest debt while leveraging good debt to grow assets. Always pay off credit cards in full and focus on reducing unnecessary liabilities. Number 6. Continuously educate yourself about money. The wealthy never stop learning, especially when it comes to finances. Financial literacy is one of the most valuable assets you can have. Make a habit of reading books, listening to podcasts, and following reputable financial experts. Learn about budgeting, investing, taxes, and economic trends. The more you know, the better financial decisions you'll make. Knowledge truly is power when it comes to building wealth. Number 7. Set clear financial goals and stay disciplined. Wealth accumulation doesn't happen by accident. It requires a clear plan and discipline. Set specific financial goals, whether it's saving for a house, reaching a net worth milestone, or achieving early retirement. Break your goals into actionable steps and track your progress regularly. Staying disciplined and committed to your goals, even during tough times, will ensure long-term financial success. Building wealth is not about quick fixes or overnight success. It's about developing smart financial habits that pay off in the long run. By paying yourself first, living below your means, investing consistently, diversifying income, managing debt wisely, educating yourself, and setting clear goals, you can create a strong financial foundation for the future. Start implementing these habits today, and watch your financial situation transform over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips and strategies.